This is the tastiest chicken breast I have ever eaten. Simple, cheap, and very juicy. For this recipe, we're going to need 3 chicken breasts. Let's start making some cuts this way. Tell me how you make chicken breast in your house. I'd love to know your recipe. In a pan, add a little bit of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, then the chicken breasts. Salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and let fry on both sides. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is for Juana Elvira Aguirre from Uruguay. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Take the chicken breasts out of the pan. Now cut half onion into dice. Then cut 3 garlic cloves and put them in the same pan as the chicken and saute. You guys, this recipe is incredibly delicious. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Now add 180 milliliters of chicken broth, parsley to taste, 200 milliliters of heavy cream, half teaspoon of nutmeg, juice half lime, and stir everything very well until blended. After you make this chicken recipe, you'll want to make it often because besides being easy and practical, it is really delicious. Put the chicken breast back in the pan and pour the sauce over the chicken just like this. Follow this recipe to the end. I guarantee you won't regret it and you'll want to show this dish to all your family and friends. Cover the pan and let cook. And our chicken is ready. Look how delicious it is. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.